In this video, we will be solving exercise number 1.2 of chapter 1. In question number 1, one table is given in which points and the coordinates are given. We have to find out whether the given pairs of segments are congruent or not. First one is segment DE and segment AB. We have to find out whether they are congruent or not. First, we will solve the length of segment DE. Segment DE. D coordinate is -7 and E coordinate is 9. 9 is greater than -7. Therefore, length DE will be found out by using the formula higher coordinate minus lower coordinate. 9 minus -7, which will become 9 plus 7, is equal to 16 units. Now we will find out length of segment AB. A coordinate is -3, B coordinate is 5. 5 is greater than -3. Therefore, by distance formula, length AB is equal to higher coordinate minus lower coordinate. 5 minus -3, which is equal to 5 plus 3, which is equal to 8 units. So here we see that segment DE and segment AB are not equal. Therefore, segment DE is not congruent to segment AB. In the second sum, we have to find out whether segment BC and segment AD are congruent or not. First, we will find out length of segment BC. B coordinate is 5, C coordinate is 2. 5 is greater than 2. Therefore, length BC is equal to higher coordinate minus lower coordinate is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 units. Now we will find out length of segment AD. A coordinate is -3, D coordinate is -7. -3 is greater than -7. Therefore, length AD is to be found out by using the formula higher coordinate minus lower coordinate, which is equal to -3 minus -7 minus 3 plus 7, which is equal to 4 units. Therefore, length BC is not equal to length AD. Therefore, segment BC is not congruent to segment AD. In the third sum, we have to find out whether segment BE and segment AD are congruent or not. You can try this sum on your own. In the second sum, it is given point M is the midpoint of segment AB. Length AB is given 8 units and we have to find out length AM. M is the midpoint of AB. Therefore, length AM is equal to half into length AB. So half into 8 will become 4 units. In the third sum, point P is the midpoint of segment CD. P is the midpoint of segment CD. CP is given 2.5 and we have to find out length of CD. Because P is the midpoint of segment CD, therefore length PD is equal to length CP is equal to 2.5 units. Therefore, length CD is equal to length CP plus length PD, since C dash P dash D is equal to 2.5 plus 2.5, which will become 5 units. In the fourth sum, 3 segments are given. AB is equal to 5 cm, BP is equal to 2 cm, AP is equal to 3.4 cm. We have to compare these segments. Here we observe that length AB is greater than length AP is greater than length BP. Therefore, segment AB is the greatest segment and segment BP is the shortest segment. shortest segment. In the fifth question, one figure is given in which one line is there. On that line, some points are given: point T, point S, point R, point P, and point Q. On the basis of this, we have to answer the following question. First one is, write the name of the opposite ray of ray RP. Now remember, opposite rays have the same origin and they are in the opposite direction. So the opposite ray of ray RP, will also start from point R. Opposite ray of ray RP will be ray RS or ray RT. Now they are asking us in the second one, the intersection set of ray PQ and ray RP. Intersection means common. Ray PQ starts from point P, goes towards point Q, and ray RP starts from point R and goes towards point P. Now the intersection of both the rays, that means the common part, the intersection of ray PQ and ray RP will be ray PQ, because ray PQ lies on the ray RP. In the third one, they are asking us to write down the union set of ray PQ and ray QR. Ray PQ will start from P, goes towards point Q. Ray QR starts from point Q and goes towards R. So the union of ray PQ and ray QR becomes a line, becomes the entire line TQ. In the fourth sum, they are asking us, segment QR is the subset of which ray? Segment QR is the part of which ray? Subset means part of. Segment QR is the subset of ray QS, ray QT, ray RQ, ray RP. In the fifth question, they are asking us to write the pair of opposite rays with common endpoint R. Opposite rays are in opposite direction with the same origin. So the opposite rays with endpoint R will be ray RT and ray RQ. Or you can also write ray RS and ray RP. In the sixth question, they are asking us to write any two rays with common endpoint S. So the rays with common endpoint S are ray SR, ray SP, ray SQ, ray ST. Seventh question, they are asking us to write the intersection of ray SP and ray ST. Intersection means common. Ray SP starts from S, point S, goes towards the direction of P. And ray ST starts from point S and goes towards the direction of point T. So the intersection, that means the common part of ray SP and ray ST, is point S. In the sixth question, one line is given. On that line, few points are marked. The coordinates of the points are written below the line, and above is written the name of the points. First, they are asking us, state the points which are equidistant from point B. Equidistant means equal distance. So the points equidistant from point B are A and C at a distance of 2 units. Also, points P and D are equidistant from point B at a distance of 4 units. Second question is, write a pair of points equidistant from point Q. As I told you, equidistant means equal distance. So the points which are equidistant from point Q is P and R at a distance of 2 units. Also, points U and L are equidistant from point Q. In the third question, we have to find out certain distances. First, they are asking us to find out distance UV. So we write the coordinate of point U. Point U coordinate will be -5. Coordinate of point V will be 5. Phi is greater than -5. Therefore, a distance UV is equal to higher coordinate minus lower coordinate. Phi minus phi plus phi, which will become 10 units. Now we have to find out distance PC. Coordinate of point P is -2. Coordinate of point C is 4. 4 is greater than -2. Distance PC is equal to higher coordinate minus lower coordinate. 4 minus 2, 4 plus 2, which will become 6 units. Distance VB and distance UL also can be found out in a similar way. You can pause this video and have a look at this solution.